Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We can use about integration by parts. So I will put about u equals to s. So we do first derivative for the both sides, and we have ds dv. We have the square root of s plus 1. We know that this one we can put into s plus 1 to the power of 1 over 2. The integration of this one, we have s plus 1 to the power of 1 over 2 plus 1 over 1 over 2 plus 1. So this one we have 3 over 2 and 3 over 2. So we have u multiplied by v minus we have the u multiplied by v, so we have 1 over 3 over 2, and we have the integration this one with the s. So the integration of this one, we have s plus 1 to the power of 3 over 2 plus 1 over 3 over 2 plus 1. This one we have 5 over 2, 3 over 2 with 5 over 2, we have 4 over 15. This is the end. Thank you for watching.